students. In today's video, I will teach you how to prepare mixture and compound with the help of iron fillings and sulfur. So, this is sulfur powder and this is iron fillings. Iron fillings means the powder of iron. Okay. So, first how to prepare a mixture of it. So, I take 1 spoon of sulfur in a mortar and few gram of iron filling in a mortar and grind it. So when we grind this iron filling and sulfur, we get a mixture of iron filling and sulfur. For the preparation of compound, I am taking this iron filling and sulfur. I am taking this iron powder, sulfur powder and iron filling in a crucible and heat it. By heating, this sulfur powder and iron filling change into a black mass. So in this way, I prepared a compound with the help of iron filling and sulfur. Now, in the same way, now we distinguish how to distinguish mixture and compound. Okay, so first by appearance we find out what is the nature of mixture and compound, whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous. By the second way we distinguish with the help of magnet. Okay, so first this is our mixture of iron and sulfur. So what we notice, these iron and sulfur particles are seen by naked eye. Means the particles of iron and sulfur are visible. So what is the nature of mixture of iron and sulfur? Then the answer is, it is heterogeneous in nature because the particles of iron and sulfur are easily seen by naked eye. Now, this is the compound of iron and sulfur. Are you able to visible the particles of iron and sulfur? No. It means the compound is homogeneous in nature. So what we learn? Mixture is heterogeneous in nature. Compound is homogeneous in nature. Now second property is to distinguish it with the help of magnet. I have a bar magnet. With the help of this bar magnet, I distinguish mixture and compound. So, this is our mixture of sulfur and iron. I rotate this magnet over it. What you notice? All the iron particles are attracted towards magnet. Means iron and sulfur do not lose their property in a mixture. In the second, the same process I repeat with a compound. So what we notice, nothing is attracted. What we notice, nothing is attracted towards the magnet. Means iron lose their properties in compound. So first, compound is homogeneous, mixture is heterogeneous. In mixture, components do not lose their property, but in compound, they lose their property. Now the third is distinguished with the help of carbon disulfide. So this is our carbon disulfide. Now, we try to add carbon disulfide in a mixture as well as in a compound. Stop. So this is carbon disulfide. Our next property is to distinguish whether the mixture is soluble in a carbon disulfide or compound. So in the first test tube I am taking a mixture of iron and sulfur and add carbon disulfide on it and shake it. What we notice, all the sulfur present in it is soluble in carbon disulfide. Now the same experiment I repeat with a compound. What we notice, nothing is soluble in carbon disulfide. So, what is the distinguish between mixture and compound? Mixture is heterogeneous, compound is homogeneous. In mixture, components do not lose their property. In compound, they lose their property. The mixture of iron filling and sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide, but the compound of iron filling and sulfur is insoluble. The color of compound is black. Okay. So this is our experiment number 1. Thank you.